Ready to earn $85 daily with just your phone in a few minutes? Buckle up. We're exploring the hottest 2024 apps that let you cash in effortlessly. No special skills required. This method works for everyone, from online veteran to curious newbie. Turn your daily app time into a steady $85 stream. Dive in and discover the secrets to quick, easy, and rewarding online income.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
Let's kick things off with our initial application, honeygain.com. Honeygain stands out as a platform where you can share your surplus bandwidth or internet data and receive compensation in the adorable form of bees, which can later be converted into real money. The Trustpilot community, with over 12,000 reviewers, rates Honeygain at an impressive 4.5 stars, showcasing the platform's commendable nature. Renowned industry authorities, including Forbes, Entrepreneur, Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, HackerNoon, and ID, have also acknowledged its excellence. One noteworthy feature is the ability to track your estimated earnings, directly linked to the volume of traffic you contribute to Honeygain's network. The more you share, the more you earn. For instance, sharing 20 gigabytes of daily traffic can passively earn you $180 monthly. Payment options include PayPal or cryptocurrency, offering flexibility in your choice. Moreover, you have control over when to share and when to pause, with the added benefit of 24/7 customer support. Moving on to the second app on our list, we have Repocket.co. Similar to Honeygain, Repocket allows you to monetize your unused data. Whether you're using a Windows PC, Mac, Android device, or iOS device, Repocket accommodates your preferences. This app operates globally, enabling users worldwide to earn money effortlessly. Simply activate the app. Even if you're not actively engaged, sign up and start sharing your unused internet data to reach the $20 withdrawal threshold. Withdrawals can be processed through PayPal or Wise account, although cryptocurrency and gift card payment methods are unfortunately unavailable. Our third feature on the list is earnit.gg. Earnit offers a unique opportunity to earn various gift cards by playing games and watching YouTube videos. The registration process is free, accessible from any country. Engaging in popular games and videos accumulates points, referred to as diamonds, which can be exchanged for real money. The app monetizes your gaming and viewing experiences by displaying ads and sharing the revenue with you. Impressively, Earnit has disbursed over $140,000 to its 80,000 users. Compatibility spans across Android, iOS, computers, and laptops. Withdrawal options are diverse, including Amazon, Steam, Google Play, PlayStation gift cards, and even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Cash, and Litecoin. Now let's delve into the fourth app on our roster, bananabucks.co. This application offers an opportunity to earn by participating in surveys and answering questions. BananaBucks is globally accessible, and the app itself is free to use. The initial survey guarantees a $1 payout, and you can earn a substantial amount for surveys lasting 8 to 10 minutes. The only limitation lies in the payment method, as BananaBucks exclusively pays through PayPal.
Wait a minute. Have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Let's explore the fifth app on our compilation, surveys.gobranded.com. Branded surveys operate similarly to BananaBucks, offering you the chance to monetize your opinions by sharing them with various brands on the app. Signing up is entirely free, open to individuals worldwide. Install their app on your mobile device, and you can kickstart your online money-making journey. The process is straightforward. Register for free, complete simple surveys, and express your thoughts on different brands. Payment options include PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Visa gift cards, or direct bank transfers. Now, on to the sixth app in our lineup, lootup.me. LootUp presents an opportunity to earn rewards by completing daily tasks like surveys, playing games, online shopping, and watching videos. Excitingly, they host weekly and monthly contests with prizes reaching up to $5,000, along with free giveaways for a chance to win cash. The rewards earned on LootUp can be withdrawn through various methods such as Visa cards, Amazon gift cards, Walmart gift cards, different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and direct transfers to your PayPal account. With an impressive Trustpilot rating over 4.4 stars, LootUp stands as a verified company on Trustpilot, reinforcing its reliability. Accessible worldwide, this app requires a minimal $1 earnings threshold for withdrawals. The only downside is its current exclusivity to Android mobile devices. However, for iOS users, the website version of LootUp is available through the Safari browser, providing an alternative to start earning money online. Diving into the 7th app on our roster, we have surveymagic.co. This versatile app caters to both Android users via the Google Play Store and iOS enthusiasts through the Apple App Store. SurveyMagic lives up to its name by offering real cash rewards for completing simple surveys and sharing your opinions with a multitude of brand partners associated with surveymagic.co, initially rewarding you with 20 cents per survey. The potential earnings can climb to over $3 for surveys lasting 10 to 12 minutes. Accessible in various countries worldwide, this app is free to use from any corner of the globe. While the app excels in paying in real cash, it currently supports only PayPal as the withdrawal option. Now, let's shift our focus to the 8th app, Macadam.app. Macadam takes a unique approach by rewarding you for the simple act of walking. Compatible with both Android and iOS devices, this app transcends geographical boundaries, allowing users from any part of the world to earn money by walking. The enticing feature here is that you receive payment in euros every time you take a stroll. The coins you accumulate on Macadam can later be exchanged for real money in your bank account. Transitioning to the 9th app on our lineup, we have Rewardy.io. Sporting an impressive Trustpilot rating of over 4.6 stars and verified status, Rewardy stands out as a reliable platform. Users on average withdraw over $6.75 daily, with a total payout exceeding $470,000 to date. This app, available in almost all countries, offers diverse earning methods, including watching Twitch streamers, listening to music, watching trending videos, and playing games. The withdrawal threshold is a modest $2, and you can cash out through various cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal, and an array of gift cards such as Visa and Amazon. Lastly, let's explore the 10th and final app on our list, prizes.gamey.com. This app, accessible on both Android and iOS devices worldwide, presents an exciting opportunity to earn over $100 a day by playing engaging online games. This wraps up our diverse collection of apps, each offering unique ways to earn money online.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.